In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and use Best Egg to make the most of its financial offerings. Let's begin by heading over to Best Egg's website, which serves as the gateway to a suite of personal loan options tailored to meet your needs efficiently. When you land on the homepage, you'll find that the site is designed to be user-friendly and straightforward, ensuring that even those unfamiliar with financial products can navigate it with ease. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll notice a menu or tab labeled Products. Clicking here will unveil a range of offerings Best Egg provides. Exploring this section is a great way to understand the diversity of financial resources available and identify those that suit your unique financial situation. Next, move to the Financial Resources section. Here, Best Egg offers an array of informational guides and articles. This area is especially useful if you're looking to deepen your understanding of personal finance topics or seeking practical advice to enhance your financial literacy. These resources are designed to empower you with knowledge, helping you make informed decisions. Now, should you wish to learn more about Best Egg as a company, head to the About Us section. This is where you can get insights into the company's mission, values, and the team that's committed to supporting your financial journey. Understanding the ethos and direction of Best Egg can provide you with confidence in their services. When you're ready to access or manage your account, simply click on the Login button. This will lead you to a secure login page where you can enter your details to gain access to your dashboard. Whether you're checking your loan status, updating personal information, or managing payments, the login portal is your personalized command center. After logging in, one of the most intriguing offerings is the View Offers option. Here, Best Egg provides personalized loan solutions based on your specific profile. By viewing these offers, you can make well-informed choices tailored to your financial circumstances. As you navigate further, consider choosing the next step of your financial journey through several intuitive pathways presented to you, such as using your car as collateral to access funds quickly. This option is great for those facing urgent financial needs and can serve as a strategic way to leverage your assets. For the best possible rates, be sure to check out the section dedicated to accessing the lowest available rates. Lower rates mean reduced costs over time, making it an essential step in managing your finances efficiently. Best Egg also offers a convenient mobile app, making it easy for you to manage your finances on the go. With the app, you can log in effortlessly, view offers, and access account details anytime, anywhere. Finally, whenever questions arise along your journey, head to the Articles and Resources section where comprehensive answers await. For more personalized options, don't hesitate to explore what Best Egg has in store. This platform aims to facilitate a seamless financial journey tailored for you. Thank you for joining us today, and here's to your financial success with Best Egg.